Good morning and welcome to today's edition of FinXo Capital Daily Financial News. We're here to navigate the shifts and turns of the financial markets together. Let's get started with today's top stories. The dollar hovered close to an 8-week low on Friday ahead of a crucial US jobs report, potentially signaling Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. The euro held on to gains after the European Central Bank reduced rates, but lingering inflation clouds the outlook. The US dollar index was little changed at 104.09, on track for a 0.54% slide this week. Investors are anticipating a softer non-farm payrolls report with jobs growth possibly below the 185,000 forecast. The FOMC is not expected to change its policy next week, but markets are pricing in 50 basis points of cuts by end December. The euro was steady at $1.0894 after a gain when the ECB kicked off its easing cycle. Sterling was flat at $1.27905 and the yen held at 155.60 per dollar, on track for a weekly gain of about 1%. The Bank of Japan is expected to reduce its monthly bond purchases soon. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite finished slightly lower on Thursday ahead of a key labor market report, while the Dow edged higher. Tech stocks dipped, dragging the S&P 500, but gains in consumer discretionary and energy sectors provided some balance. Nvidia fell 1.1%, dropping back to third place in global valuation behind Apple. Oil prices ticked higher on Friday with Brent crude at $79.89 per barrel and US West Texas Intermediate at $75.59. Reassurances from OPEC Plus members helped stabilize prices, though markets are heading for a third straight week of losses. Saudi Arabia and Russia tried to reassure markets on supply agreements, but further cuts may be necessary as demand softens. Thank you for tuning in to FinXo Capital Daily Financial News. Keep an eye on the markets, and we'll continue to bring you the latest financial news and analysis. Have a great day.